Heat from the sun changes water from rivers, lakes, and the sea to a gas. It goes up into the sky and then turns into a liquid to make clouds. The water in the clouds later falls as rain, ice, or snow. Most of that water goes back to the rivers, lakes, and sea. This is called the water cycle, and it is very important. 300 million liters of water fall from the sky every day. However, in some places in the world, rain does not fall very often, but people need rain to grow food and to drink. So how do we make rain when it doesn't rain? First, we need to think about how clouds become rain. Clouds are made up of small drops or droplets of water. When the droplets get bigger, they fall as rain, ice, or snow. However, droplets of rain can only fall if there is some dust in the air for the water droplet to join to. The dust makes the droplet heavy enough to fall from the sky. In one part of Texas, in the United States, this hasn't happened for a long time. There has been no rain. Gary Walker is a pilot with a very special job. He makes rain. Gary does something called cloud seeding. This means that he puts a chemical into the clouds for water to join with to make rain. Gary attaches something called silver iodide on the plane. He flies 5,486 meters up in the air. He shoots the silver iodide into the cloud. If everything goes well, rain should fall after 45 minutes. You can see more clouds in the sky. There has been 12% more rain from the clouds that Gary has put silver iodide into. Gary will go back into the clouds again and again to try to make more rain.